enter.
Hey guys, we're going to a car wash.
Alright, we're on the way.
We're getting wet over here. We're getting wet over here.
You getting wet?
Let's hope none of these windows get opened. Look at the little water. Oh, we got soap on us. Oh my goodness, we're getting covered. Ah! Ah! I can see barely out above. Oh my goodness. It's the water jets. I'm sorry for anyone who has headphones. Oh my god. Ah! I'm very sorry for anyone who has headphones.
Oh, grab it in. This thing's open. Stop.
Oh my goodness, it's open! Oh god!
Come touch right there.
It's open!
Where did it
Oh
go?
no, it's leaking!
Oh,
It's
no.
leaking. Put the thing up, put the thing up, put the thing up, put the thing up!
Papa, we have to take a risk.
Put the thing up, bro, put the thing up.
Yes.
Put the thing up! Oh, here's...
Leave it, leave it.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna go! Put the thing up! Oh my god! Oh, we're getting covered! Headphone warning, guys! Headphone warning!
No, show that. It's open. It's like open.
It is kind of open.
Under, wait, no, Papa, we have to close it when it's leaking.
Oh. Okay, dude, let's just close it. Guys, we should just like close it.
Open it when the heat gets here.
No, do not. It's gonna be so hot.
My favorite part is the heat, because I like to just watch all the water driplets go away.
Look at all the water. Oh,
I
it's,
think it's closed. I don't know.
it was open.
I felt a little wetness.
Oh, and now all the water is gonna go away. I mean, look it up there, and oh my goodness, it's like sperm. What?
We need to,
Look at it just going down. Look at it going down.
do you need to, vacuum out anything? Does it need vacuuming back there?
No, we're good.
No, look at it just going down.
Safe, bro.
Oh, we're almost out.
Favorite part.
Oh, look at it up there. Look at the sides. Rushing water. Oh, it's getting louder. You can see the little driplets washing away.